Well, we will see the asset area, and you're going to your project or project. Here, for example, here there's asset. Go there, this project demo we are working on, and there's different thing. If you are the good right as supervisor or more, you can update or download the XML. I think that's the better is to see the XML tutorial. Well, here are the panel with your shot or your asset. You can see we are working quite strong, and this is all asset there's already existing. Here are the tree view. You can order differently. You can make search like that. There's some information about is the asset free or not, at which person is it assigned. Here, for example, you can see that it's free, and you can change the assignment if you have the good right, like lead, supervisor, and etc. And here are the assignment. We will upload a new asset. Well, it's quite simply. Something you have to know that here there's a tree view, and this tree view, that's the reason I was explaining a little bit about XML and the update or not about XML. The XML made the link between your local data and some not data but tree data. And I repeat one more time, there's no physical data on SaAM, only the thumb, images, discussion, etc. Well, you can take a look. There's already some folder. You can add folder, you can add subfolder like that, and you can add asset. For example, we'll go to character, and I know I have to create a new asset in monster category. You can see there's two. You can see the other one, and there's department 2 for the asset. Take a look to department or project creation, and you can change all the things. And I will make another. I can make a subfolder, or I can make another. I create a new asset. There's 2 or 3 little things very important. I create an asset. I choose the name, and I take a look again because the name are really important for me. Okay. Well, monster for us underscore free, and here are some extension. You can change extension, and every letter you type will give you the possible extension. We are working with Blender. Well, we choose Blender. You can add an extension if you want. There's no problem. You can assign directly people. Well, me, another artist, and choose the date and the category. You can choose last time if you are really in the good category. Well, I choose character. Well, you can see there's nothing appears. That's means that this is stored in SaAM database but not visible. You have to validate that. This is the last step, or for some security, or for some you can see the path here, and that's all logical. Well, I validate. I can modify last time the path. I can trash it or modify, like rename the asset. If you don't rename at this step the asset, you can't change it after. Never. It's for this SaAM version, it's impossible. Well, I'm sure me, and I will validate. I had to XML, and that's okay. It's appear here. Well, second step, you can see that it's here, and but I can do nothing. And the reason of that's I have to choose to begin to work on it. Well, if I'm going to another asset like that, it's approved. There's step, and oh, sorry, there's no publish here. For example, here, yeah, there's some publish and some discussion, because we say that we begin. To begin, it's simply you have to click to do or another step. I go to my monster, and here we go. And now I can work on it. And I will add a picture. Simply drag and drop. And I was on the wrong department. Well, I go to the concept department. You can see this gray, and because you can accede on it, and just there's nothing. I go to concept, and it's okay, but I will begin my publish in concept. This is our flow for this short movie. Now I can begin to make a new publish. I do that, and I will drag and drop my model sheet concept like that. It's okay. I can change anyway with another drag and drop, but that's mine. And now I can begin the discussion. I can add some other information like description, like stupid spider, and there's other thing here. I will assign that to me. I'm working on it, but it's quite finished. And there's other information here. I can assign again other people. We can see dependents or the scene where the asset is. This is a new asset. Well, there's no dependencies or no scene on it. But if I'm going to perhaps monster one, yeah, I can see there's this scene. This is the same logical for dependencies. You can add folders, the same logical for all the SaAM. For example, this is the old model sheet. Sorry, this is not my language, English. And I can do that for month 3. I will add a folder, model sheet. And for this tutorial, I will add a data. It's done. Well, and you can see your asset here, like your shot or your asset. If you want to go quickly in the good section. Yeah, Matthew. I go back for the end to my wonderful monster 3. Well, bye bye.